What's up, y'all? It's Peaches on Layaway, and I'm about to do a review of this donut sandwich from KFC. I already ordered it because I don't want to waste your time or anything like that, and this is my new show called Reviews on Layaway. Alright, you ready for this? You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, there's paper. There's paper. Okay. Calm yourself down. It's beautiful. Calm yourself down. You can do this, man. I don't want to eat it. I just need to eat it. No, just need to eat it. Look at all the f***ing glaze. All right. And of course, I got this peach drink with me, the new Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. It's flavored peach, because, you know, Peaches on Layaway, you know how I get down, you know, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Ow, hot. This is gold. Look at all the glaze on my freaking fingers right now. Do you want a bite? This is glaze for days, son. This is the kind of glaze that you'll find like 2 days later still stuck up in your cuticles and shit. Just like, look at this, dude. I'm so happy right now. Walk it down with a little bit. Oh, baby. See, these donuts are surprisingly quality here. Oh, Colonel Sanders. I just want to get a dozen of donuts from this place, from KFC. Too much goodness, too fast. KFC is the new Krispy Kreme, dude. You think you can hide behind the hot sign forever? No, you can't. The donut sandwich is king. That goes for you too, Popeyes. Please, man, please give us a donut taco. Time for the best part.
Oh, I see it like this.
Beautiful. Well, that was an otherworldly experience. When the Popeye sandwich came out, everyone was getting beat up over it. But the Popeye sandwich, the buns were just bread. Ugh, bread. These buns are made from donuts, dude. But no one's getting beaten up over the KFC sandwich. I, on the other hand, would commit murder for this sandwich. And like, not just like act of passion, like premeditated murder I would commit for the sandwich here. I would go to Home Depot right now, get a sledgehammer, and take the sledgehammer to every car in this drive-thru if I knew it would get me donut sandwiches. But I can't because I don't have money for a sledgehammer at Home Depot. I'm very poor. Yes.